You're awake now.
Kennedy is getting her very first bath.
You gave me the hiccups. You gave me the hiccups.
Well, I wasn't real sure what to think of the water when she first went in.
What do you think? What do you think? We're just going to hiccup? Oh. What are you thinking? You're kind of just hanging out? It's not so bad, is it? It's not so bad.
I don't know. What are you people trying to do to me? She's not so sure about this. Look on her face is one of, I don't know.